Read and learn, shine so bright. Smart kids grow with moonlight.
Read and learn, shine so bright. Smart kids grow with moonlight. eSchoolify series, fun and true. Learning dreams for me and you.
Welcome to eSchoolify series.
Good morning and Assalamu alaikum, respected parents. How are you? I hope you all are fine. In class, today we taught to the students uppercase and lowercase letter K, its formation, its sound and vocabulary words. But at home, how could you teach which thing easily available at the home? Keys. Take your keys, keep them on the table like this and start the work. Okay, open your notebook. Let's start. Start from the first line, come straight down, make slant line, make another slant line. It will make capital K, 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 capital K. Start from the first line, come straight down, make small slant line, another slant line. It will make small K. The letter name is K. The sound of K is K. The sound of K is K. K, K, K. Kangaroo. K, K, king. K, K, kiwi. K, K, key. Wow. Okay. Act of kindness. Help others when they are in need. After that, story time. So, I hope so. You enjoyed a lot and you will teach same like this at home. Thank you very much. Allah Hafiz.